Hi friends, welcome back to the Checkout Guy YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how you can create a free shipping progress bar like this in your checkout page. So watch this video completely without skipping. Before going to the video, please make sure that you are subscribed to our channel for more Shopify tips. So for setting this up, I'm using Checkout Extension Ninja app. I have downloaded this from Shopify App Store. If you need, I will be attaching the link to this app in the description box. You can just check it out. So after your installation, go to the admin panel and click on Checkout Ninja. Now you can go to the blog section and there are some browse template options. So clicking on this, you can see the free shipping progress bar here. So click on this use templates. So there will be the default pre-filled data coming up here like this. The blog name shows like this, and clicking on shipping progress bar, it shows the a threshold as 300. So what happens is the user has to purchase at least $300 in order to get the free shipping. So the threshold you can change up to you, and the message add remaining more to get free shipping, and if the threshold is met, then you can give a complete message like the you qualify for free shipping. And the appearance also you can just giving critical info or progress bar size as large or base, text size is base or medium. Like this you can just set up. And there is advanced styling like background, border radius, padding, element spacing and all. So after adding, and all the details will be pre-filled if you are creating or if you are choosing a template. So after like verifying all this, just go to done and make sure that the status is active and go for saving it. So after saving it, you will be getting some block ID. So just copy the block ID and click on open checkout editor page. And you have to add the custom block to the checkout like this. You have to paste the block ID here in this field so that you can just see the progress bar shipping like this. So let's move this block to somewhere else. The appropriate place is the order summary, right? So let's go to that. Yeah. So you can see that you qualify for free shipping is like created here. So let's save it. Now we have to test this in our online store. Let's go with checkout. Yeah, since the threshold is 300, we are qualifying for the free shipping. Let's test with some other products below $300. Go to catalog. Yeah, this one is below $300. So let's add this to the cart. Now you can see that add 290 to move more to get the free shipping message has been shown like this. So that's how you can create a free shipping progress bar in your checkout page. So while you're waiting for, just grab the link from the description box and try this out in your online store. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and also please do like, comment and share. Thanks for watching.